Guys, welcome back to Riverfront Residences, where I'll be showing you a 1,410 square feet 4-bedroom unit that was renovated just 2 years ago. And it's worth noting that we are just 10 minutes away from the MRT station and priced under $2,000 per square foot. Let's go check it out. Hi, welcome into this 1,410 square feet 4-bedder unit, and once you step in, you can already see it's fully renovated because these days wall paneling isn't really that common unless you are actually looking at the showroom. And when I stepped in during my first visit to meet the owners, actually it reminded me of the Riverfront Residences showroom where they actually use this copper or bronze finishing wall paneling. And it's worth noticing that there's a lot of carpentry already done at the entry foyer area, and this foyer to me is a very big plus. Why? With 1,410 square feet of space, you can actually afford to have a bit of privacy. Let's go check out the living room. So as you enter into the living space, it's actually in a landscape format, and we have a balcony right outside. And the most important part of this house, other than the renovation, will definitely be the fact that we have full unblocked views of the Serangoon River over here. And for those that didn't know, this can actually bring you all the way to Coney Island. So for those that are like me, you like to jog, you like to cycle, this is certainly a very lifestyle area as well. So right now we are at the wet kitchen area. So the kitchen has been recently renovated. Within 2 years, the place is still in immaculate condition. And for the yard, I always say this: if you have the ability to buy a 4-bedder, you have the ability to treat your live-in helper a bit better. And this area, right, is actually quite a nice live-in helper's quarters because you have a toilet over here, and there's already a sliding door installed for you here, right? And the storeroom inside is actually sizable enough. So I would think that this house, you can rest assured that your helper will be very happy and will take care of your kids very well. So before we head on to the balcony, I would like to mention that another premium feature about this house will be definitely the lime wash wall. During my renovation, we actually got a quote for this, and I managed to convince my wife to save the money. But for you, owner has already done it up for you. So no extra cost required. Now, let's head on to the most important part of the house, the balcony. Let's go. So welcome to the balcony, and why I say that this is most important, because when you are having your parties and all this will be an extension of the living area. Kids usually most cases are very noisy. If you let them play outside here, right, and close the window, with all these safety features already installed, you don't need to worry about any mishaps. Owners has also installed the zip check already. There are actually premium quality ones, and if you look carefully, right, the wrapper they still haven't removed, like, because they only renovated this house 2 years ago. And when you come over here, this will be the extension of the balcony to the bedrooms. And for those people that want privacy, you can always install a hedge over here, and you just have to break up these two balconies so that each room will have its own private terrace. Now, before we head on to see all the bedrooms, let's take a look at the floor plan. This unit comes with 3 proper bedrooms, which one is a super enormous master suite, 4 toilets plus a helper's room. Hi, welcome into the master bedroom, which the owner has already transformed this into like a hotel suite. The massage chair is over here, your display shelving for your beautiful bags are here, 2 sets of wardrobe, so his and hers. Usually it's all hers. But I don't know about this case because I haven't go and open yet. But I would say that this size is a very comfortable size, because if you add the sizes of both rooms together, it's easily 20 over square meters. It's bigger than some of your living area already. And by now, some of you who are watching this video and you need 4 bedrooms, right, immediately you'll be thinking like, okay, can skip the video. Hold on first, because owners has also shared with us how they actually configured this and how you can reverse it back, because this wardrobe wasn't in this position previously. It was the original wardrobe from the developer, but owner has managed to shift the wardrobe over to here. So if you come down to pay a visit to this house, we can then further explain to you how you can reconfigure this back into the original state, which is a 4-bedroom unit. And as usual, in the master bedroom, there's always the master bathroom as well. Decent size and fully fitted already, so no extra renovations required. Now let me know whether you like this configuration of the master bedroom, or would you convert it back into a 4-bedder? We'd love to hear from you. Let's go check out the rest of the house, shall we? Now, one of the bedroom here is actually a junior master, so it comes with its own attached bathroom, which is perfect if you have older children, guests staying over, or even for multi-generation living arrangements. The other common bedroom has already been set up as a massage room. The size is actually very comfortable, and it can easily function as a proper common bedroom, fitting a bed, wardrobe, and still have more than enough space to move around. Now let's take a look at the transactions. The larger 4-bedroom unit has already transacted at $1,898 per square foot in late March this year, and the smaller 3-bedder unit has already transacted close to $2,000 per square foot, and I'm the one that sold it in February. So when you compare against those benchmarks, right, the unit that was renovated just 2 years and enjoys a single loading design without any unit facing your living room or your bedrooms, right, I would think that this pricing certainly has a lot more room for capital growth. One more thing worth noting about Riverfront Residences is that it's a huge development with 400 over 1,000 square feet of land. What makes it more interesting is the ongoing transformation in the Hougang area, with GLS site near Hougang MRT station already acquired by developers a few months ago. Means to say the future benchmark pricing in the Hougang precinct will be around $2,500 even up to $2,800 per square foot in just a year's time. And speaking of this block, we are strategically positioned close to one of the 2 side gates in Riverfront Residences, and if you go and check the straight line distance, our block is closest to the MRT station as well. So walking distance to your daily necessities and commute will be around 10 minutes. But of course, if you're lazy to walk, you can also use the other side gate, and then you are at the bus stop, which will take you to the train station within 3 bus stops. For families with school-going children, there are several established schools within close proximity, giving you a good range of options depending on your needs. And it's worth noting, a few months ago there was this article stating that the Wycombe Abbey School is a new co-educational British International Day School slated to open in September 2028. So for those that are looking for rental yield, in a couple of years time, you should be seeing even higher rental demand within this area. So in summary, this unit is something that is not just suitable for people who are looking for own stay, but for long-term capital growth, I think this will also suit that purpose as well. So if you're keen to view this unit or you wish to have some more information, do feel free to reach out and my team will get back to you. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or share this with your friends who are looking for property. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.